So, hello friend, uh, myself Dr. Fahad Zulfikar from Gautam Buddha University, and in this video I will let you know about what is functional analysis and how its study is important. So, let us start. So, actually, functional analysis is a very important branch of pure mathematics. It basically originated from mathematical analysis, so grew out of analysis. So functional analysis is generally a course which is taught or introduced to the student at MSc level or PG level. So definitely it assumes some prerequisite from the courses done in graduation level. The prime object in functional analysis is linear spaces and the linear function operating on them, particularly this continuous linear maps or operators. So it is basically based on three pillars. One is the knowledge of calculus and the knowledge of vector spaces and little bit topology. So some concept of topology is also used to understand functional analysis. So there are some books that can be consulted with, and some of the references book I have written on the board. This functional analysis by professor from IIT Bombay, he is now retired, VB Lime, Balmont Lime, and the very standard book, this Walter Rudin, functional analysis written by this Walter Rudin. And you have as Swami book also on functional analysis. And again, this versatile author, Crazy like Walter Rudin, it has written a book in this function analysis also by the name this introductory function analysis with applications. So these are few books that one can refer while studying. So so actually the aim, like the other courses of this functional analysis, just to familiarize a student with the basic concepts like metric, norms and inner product and various fundamental result. For example, you have Bolzano-Weierstrass theorems, Rees, Rees lemma, uniform boundedness principle, closed graph theorem, open mapping theorem, so and so on. You have many spectral theorem. So you have many uh, result that is generally taught at the first course of functional analysis. I will also run a course on functional analysis at MSc level in Gautam Buddha University. And the aim of the course is just to familiarize whatever I said. So it is all about functional analysis. The study of this functional course lies in its application. So it is very useful, not just within mathematics, where functional analysis use the tools of the functional analysis. For example, calculus of variation, numerical analysis, and dealing with differential equations. So you should know a good command on functional analysis also. And beyond mathematics, in many areas of applied sciences, it is used in engineering, in physics, and in many more cases. So that's all about the introduction of functional analysis. Maybe in the next video, we will know about metric spaces and the norm spaces. Thank you.